Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all are having a great day today. So in today's video, we're going to be going over a lot of good deals going on at Dollar General this week, and I have the full glitch list. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you guys have any questions, comments, any deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So first up, we have some drink deals. We have the 6-pack Coca-Cola and Sprites, 3 for $9, and then we have the Coca-Cola or Sprite 12 packs, 3 for $12, and then we have that 1 off 3 digital coupon, making those 3 for $11. Next up, the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 2 liters are on sale this week, 3 for $5, and the Dr. Pepper Canada Dry A&W or 7-Up 2 liters are on sale, 3 for $3. Next up, we have the Little Debbie cakes. They are on sale, 3 for $5. And then we have the Capri Sun juice drinks, 10 packs, 2 for $4. Next up, we have a sale on the Kellogg's General Mills Post Captain Crunch or Life cereals. And also included in this sale is the Quaker Quick Oats. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $6. And with this sale, we do have digital coupon matchups. So we do have $1.25 off of 2 for the General Mills cereal, $1 off of 2 for the General Mills cereal, 75 cents off of 1 for the General Mills cereal. We have 1 off 2 for the Kellogg's cereals, 75 cents off of 1 for the Quaker cereal, and 50 cents off of 1 for the Chocolate Toast Crunch General Mills cereal. Next up, the Honey Made Honey Graham Crackers and the Ritz Toasted Chips Sour Cream and Onion. Those are on sale this week for $2.75. If you want to pick up the Honey Made Graham Crackers, use this 50 cents off 1 digital coupon. That'll leave you paying just $2.25. So this week at Dollar General, we have a lot of exciting things going on. We do have the clearance event that will begin on Friday and run through Sunday. And then we also have this one-day only sale, which will be Friday, February the 26th. So for this ad, we have the Powerade. Those will be marked down to 60 cents each. We have the Mott's Apple Juice. They will be on sale 2 for $4. The Energy Sticks will be buy 2, get 1 for free. And then the Lipton Tea Bags will be $2.50. We also have the Nutri-Grain bars. Those are normally priced at $3 each. Those will be buy 1, get 1 free. We have the General Mills cereal. Those will be buy 1, get 1 free, and those are also priced at $3. It's only on the Cookie Crisp though. Then we have the Maxwell House coffee and the Folgers coffee. Those will be 2 for $5. So with this one-day only sale, we do have some coupon matchups. So if you want to pick up 4 of the Powerades at $2.40, those are 60 cents each. Use this buy 3, get 1 for free digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying $1.80 for 4. Next up, this is a new digital coupon that popped up on my account yesterday. So we have this 1 off 2 for the Mott's juices. So if you want to pick up 2 of the Mott's apple juices on Friday for $4, use this 1 off 2 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying $3 for 2 or $1.50 each. So next up, we have the Cookie Crisp General Mills cereal, buy 1, get 1 for free. So these are normally priced at $3 each. So if you use the 125 off 2 digital coupon, that'll leave you paying $1.75 for 2. Or if you use the 1 off 2 digital coupon, that'll leave you paying $2 for 2. So not a bad deal at all. So next up, we're just going to go over some really good coupon matchups that I found. So we have saved $2 on 2 of the Pinoline multi-purpose cleaners, and you have to purchase 1 of the 128-ounce bottles. So those are priced at $5 each. Then you want to pick up 1 of the 56-ounce bottles at $2.75. After that digital coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying $5.75 for 2. So next up, we have this 4 off 1 for the Gillette refill cartridges 4 count, and we also have this DG store coupon for buy 1 Gillette or Venus product and get 1 of the Gillette sensitive foamy shave creams for free. So what you want to do is pick up 1 of the Gillette Mach 3 4 count refills for $9.95 and then 1 of the Gillette foamy sensitive shave creams for $1.85. Both of those digital coupons will be applied, and that'll leave you paying just $5.95 for 2. So next up, if you haven't used this coupon yet, it's a pretty good deal. We have 1 off 1 for the Puffs facial tissues. If you want to pick up 1 of the cubed boxes, 48 count, Those are priced at $1.60. After that coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just 60 cents. So next up, this deal is back again. We have the Hershey's single served candy bars on sale. Buy 4, get 1 for free. And then we also have this save $2 when you spend $7 on Reese's products. So if you want to pick up 10 of the Reese's peanut butter cups for $9.50, after that digital coupon as well as that sale is applied, that'll leave you paying $5.60 for 10 of the Reese cups. So here's one of the best deals this week. We have the All and Snuggle products on sale, 2 for $8. So if you want to pick up one of those, use this 3 off 1 digital coupon and that'll leave you paying just $1. We also have this coupon which hasn't expired yet. We have 2 off 1 for the Robitussin products. If you want to pick up one of the Robitussin Maximum Strength Nighttime Liquid Capsules for $3.50, after that digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just $1.50. Next up, we have the Oral-B Floss Picks. Those are priced at $2.25. After this 1 off 1 digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just $1.25. So now we're going to get into some DG glitches. So we still have this glitch going on. If you want to pick up one of the Airwick Scented Oil Warmers for $1.65, use this 150 off 1 digital coupon and that'll leave you paying just 15 cents. Next up, we have the Crest toothpaste with baking soda 2-pack. Those are priced at $2.50. After this 2 off 1 digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just 50 cents. Next up, we have the Men's Axe Deodorant 1.7 ounce. Those are priced at $2.50. After this 1 off 1 digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just $1.50. Next up, we have the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. So these are priced at $3 each. If you pick up 2 of those at $6, use this 4 off 2 digital coupon and that'll leave you paying just $2 for 2 or $1 each. Or if you want to use the 4 off 2 digital coupon on the Crest Pro Health mouthwash, those are priced at $5 each, so picking up 2 will put you at $10. After that 4 off 2 digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $6 for 2 or $3 each. And here's an older glitch, but this is still going on, so if you want to pick up one of the Oops All Berries cereals, you can find the little bags in the dollar aisle. Use the 75-cent off 1 digital coupon and that'll leave you paying just 25 cents. So next up, we still have the Jif peanut butter glitch going on, and if your store has been out of stock, don't worry, you still have some time because these coupons don't expire until March, and it doesn't look like Dollar General is going to fix this anytime soon. So we still have this 50 cents off 1 for the Jif peanut butter products, and this coupon is working on the Jif to go 3 packs that are found in the dollar aisle. So you can pick up one of those for $1, use the 50 cents off 1 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying just 50 cents. Or if you can find 2 of these in your dollar aisle, you can pick up 2 for $2 and use this 2 off 2 digital coupon, and that will make them absolutely free. So this digital coupon does expire on Sunday, so keep your eye out for this product. And if you can't find it, you may want to go ahead and use this digital coupon on the Jif Creamy Peanut Butter or the Smucker's Strawberry Jelly, because 2 off 2 is not a bad deal at all. So for this next deal, I just found out about this glitch this week whenever I was going through looking for the prices for the new coupons video. So some of you guys may already know about this glitch, I'm not sure, but I just found it this week and I think it's a pretty good deal. So if you want to pick up 2 of the Downy Infusions Liquid Fabric Softener, the Calm Lavender and Vanilla 32-ounce bottles, those are priced at $4.50 each, so picking up 2 will put you at $9. This 3 off 2 Downy or Gain In Wash Scent Boosters digital coupon is working with this product, and that'll leave you paying just $6 for 2, making them just $3 each. So that's a pretty good deal, and I will probably be taking advantage of this definitely this week. And then, of course, we still have this 5 off 2 for the Ensure products digital coupon. So if you want to pick up 2 of the Ensure singles for $5, they are $2.50 each. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and that will make them absolutely free. And then here is our new glitch for this week. If you want to pick up 2 of the Glade cones, this coupon is only working on the Hawaiian Breeze scent and the Clean Linen scent. So those are priced at $1 each. So picking up 2 of those will put you at $2. And after the 1 off 2 digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $1 for 2. So next up, we did receive a new reward on our DG Rewards page. So for this one, you will earn $3.50 towards your next purchase of $3.51 or more when you spend a total of $15 on select Clover Valley water products. And it does exclude the sparkling water product and the 1.5 liter spring water. So this is valid through April the 24th, and you can earn this reward over time. So that's the really good thing about these DG rewards, and they usually have sales going on for these. They're like 2 for $4 on the 24 packs, things like that. So just keep your eye out on that, and that'll be a good reward to work toward. Alright guys, that's it for me for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, I don't know about you, but I have a super busy week ahead of me, so be on the lookout for some new videos. I'm going to try my best to do a $5 challenge, as well as we're going to have at least 1 or 2 videos up about the Dollar General clearance event. I'll let you guys know all of the information that you need to know about it, and we're going to do some new lists, some visuals, some pictures. I have a ton of pictures all ready to go. Just need to put those together in a video, do some editing magic, and put those out there for you guys. So be on the lookout for all of that great stuff. And then of course at the end of the week we will have our 5 off 25 scenario video. So like I said, a lot going on, but it's super exciting. We should get some amazing deals this weekend. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video or make a post in the community tab. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any comments, questions, any deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you all. I hope y'all have a great day.